Queenslanders unvaccinated against COVID will soon be able to resume life as they once knew it after the easing of restrictions in 9 days. Live to our Brisbane Bureau Chief Adam Walters. Adam, Premier Palaszczuk has thanked those who have been vaccinated though.
Yes, Kieran, for their efforts in minimising the impact of the pandemic. And from April 14, we will see pubs, clubs, restaurants and a range of public venues returning to somewhere close to business as usual. Now, the Premier said the trigger point was a new high in the vaccination rate. This is what she said.
The trigger point is our level of vaccinations. As of yesterday, 90.5% of Queenslanders 12 years and old and over have received at least 2 doses of the vaccine. This is incredible. The restrictions we had in place did their job, keeping our communities safe and encouraging vaccinations.
It is clearly because of vaccination. The impact of this virus on the Queensland community has been relatively mild. We have had a significant increase in the number of hospital admissions associated with this wave, probably about a third or a half of what we saw during the initial Omicron wave in January, but very few admissions to the intensive care unit.
But the Premier maintained her appeal, Kieran, for the unvaccinated to protect themselves and others in the community. Restrictions will remain in place for hospitals, aged and disability care, prisons, schools and early childhood centres. The government continues to push for higher numbers of young people to be vaccinated and will be operating 50 pop-up vaccination clinics throughout the Easter holidays. Kieran.